So I am in a beautiful Satoyama area in Niihama city, Ehime prefecture, Shikoku, Japan. And Satoyama is a really wonderful, harmonious coexistence of human and natural elements. So here you see the natural habitats over here. Oh, there's a cherry blossom tree, almost about to bloom. And on the other hand, you have these beautiful houses. So this is the apotheosis of the spirit of Nagomi, harmonious, balanced coexistence of different elements. So Satoyama literally means Sato, meaning where people live, and Yama, mountains. Not such a high mountains, but very narrow, slowly carved, sloped hills and small mountains. So this word, Japanese word Satoyama, means the coexistence of Sato, human habitats, and Yama, the nature. So in this really jewel in the crown of Niihama city, which I accidentally found, there's this really harmonious mixture of human and artificial elements. This is the epitome of beauty, aesthetics, Japanese aesthetics that have been traditional in this island nation, and I have grown up in that cultural environment, and I feel so happy and privileged to witness one wonderful instance here this morning during my run in Niihama city. So I think people have been living in this area like this for many, many years, and it's the sheer coexistence that makes so beautiful, makes it so beautiful. The almost creative blending, if you like, of natural and artificial metabolism together, making interesting new environment. And mind you, the biodiversity is typically much higher than a pure natural habitat. There are species that can only inhabit places like this, a Satoyama environment, where human interventions would make certain plants grow and certain environments flourish, in which a really diverse spectrum of species can flourish. So this is very important from the point of view of biological conservation, in addition to the obvious aesthetic advantages. So I have been running and walking through this wonderful Satoyama environment in Niihama, and I'm really glad that I was able to share it with you this morning.